Hey everybody, welcome to the Hasta La Vista Sew Along. So we're kicking off the Hasta La Vista Sew Along today. So this is really just an impromptu video. I just wanted to jump on, touch base with everybody that's already joined to say welcome, to share a little bit about how it's going to be, like what it'll look like. Um, and for those that haven't joined up, like maybe it might be something that you want to do. So I'll make sure that I keep all the links on all my profiles so you can join in because you can join in at any time. So we will be doing weekly giveaways. So there will be a prompt for that week each Monday, and that will enable you to jump in the giveaway. So that might be the only thing that you miss out on if you join as the weeks come along, because those draws will be done. But still, you can jump in at any time, which also means that for those, I've already had a few comments like if I keep up. Well, the weekly prompts are fresh prompts each week. So you'll still be able to join in the giveaway for that prompt that week. But also too, you can have a little try at what we're doing, and then you can still go back to where you are up to on the quilt. So I'll make it very flexible. So it's just a community, it's making a quilt together. So any pace is fine. So each week I will put out an email Monday. I'll put it out by 4 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time on the Monday, and it will have the weekly prompt, who the giveaway winner from the previous week was, what the giveaway for the next week is going to be, and how you can participate. But also what the topic of the week is, because the topic will generally be around the tutorials, but it'll also be around what you post. But that doesn't mean, however, that there won't be other tutorials, and it won't mean that you can't go ahead. So that also allows people to work at their pace if they do want to go ahead. Okay, so today's day one. So the email will go out by 4 o'clock today. But just to start for like what week one's going to be about, firstly, you'll print off your pattern. Print off your pattern so you have a copy of it in your hands. We'll also be looking at what other things that you may need. In the email, I'm going to put the Hasta La Vista lettering. So you can start thinking about if you do want to put your text on your quilt, is it going to be Hasta La Vista like my quilt, or do you want to give your own personal message? And it'll also be about, oh, let me just see, very impromptu, I'm sort of ready. Week one will be doing things like getting our fabrics ready. So I am going to be making another Hasta La Vista quilt. I will have a different message on it. So I will be doing it alongside you. So I've started to prepare my fabrics for this week. So with saying that, on Monday, when I put out the email for the prompt and how you can join in on Instagram or Facebook for the giveaway, um, I'll also put up my entry, as say, on a Monday as well. So my post. So if you're unsure of what we're posting about or what we're working on that week, you can just go to my Instagram, so underscore Barbie Mitchell, and you'll see my posts. So my posts will always be up to date on the Monday. The nice thing about the giveaway as well is not just participating and putting posts up, but it's also going around and clicking on the hashtags. So Hasta La Vista Sew Along or HLVSAL, those hashtags, because if we use those hashtags, we'll be able to see where everybody else is up to and who's participating, and go ahead and build those relationships, comment on people's posts, see what others are doing. It might even help you if you're unsure of a colorway, or unsure of how to make a pattern, or unsure where we're up to. If we go around and look in the community posts, it'll sort of give us some ideas, inspiration, and show us where we're up to. So I'll be putting up, yeah, what the prompts are for the week. So this week it's going to be about getting ready. So like I said, it'll be printing off your pattern, getting templates ready. We are going to look more into making templates next week. But if you want to go ahead, you can do that. It's going to be getting your fabric stash ready, choosing colorways, and that sort of thing. As far as tutorials for the week, I'm also going to be getting a little bit ahead. I've had a lot of requests around the needle turn applique look by machine using the Aurifil monofilament thread. So this week I'm going to put up a couple of tutorials around the circles done by machine. And then when we get to the circles week, when we're going to be working on this part of the quilt where all the circles are, that week I'll demonstrate it by needle turn applique. So this week, one of the tutorials will be the needle turn applique look by machine using the monofilament thread for those who want to participate but don't want to do a lot of handwork. So I'll be putting that up. And I'll also just be putting up some tips about getting ready with your pattern and templates. So I'll do that this week, but we'll also be looking at that again the following week. But really, I just wanted to pop on because I'm really excited. We're starting today. If you haven't joined up yet, it's never too late. Jump in and join up. You'll see always all the details at _Barbie Mitchell. But the beauty about signing up through the form, that the link will be in my bio, is that you'll also receive the email on a Monday. So for those of you that don't have Instagram or just want an email where it's all in one spot for the week, sign up so you can follow along that way. It'll be helpful. But I'm really excited you're here. We're kicking it off today. So let's have a lot of fun with it. And I just really look forward to seeing what you create. Bye.